Matchbox 1975 Mitsubishi Lancer Celeste. The Matchbox 1975 Mitsubishi Lancer Celeste was released in 2022.
Let's open the card.
The color of the car is yellow, and it has ringed disc wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights and grille. On the side, it has black stripe and Celeste word mark. On the back, it has detailed taillights and trim. Clear window tint. Chrome plastic base. The hood can be opened. Matchbox 67 Alfa Romeo Duetto. The Matchbox 67 Alfa Romeo Duetto was released in 2026.
Let's open the card.
The color of the car is mint, and it has ringed disc wheels. On the front, it has detailed trim and headlights and grille. On the back, it has taillights and Spider Roma on license plate. Clear window tint. Black plastic base. Matchbox Lamborghini Huracán Sterrato. The Matchbox Lamborghini Huracán Sterrato was released in 2025.
Let's open the card.
The color of the car is Verde Gaia Lucido, and it has 5-spoke super-fast sport wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights and trim. On the side, it has Sterrato word mark. On the back, it has detailed tail lights and trim. Smoke window tint and 63 on hood. Black plastic base. The engine lid can be opened. Matchbox 2018 Toyota Hilux. The Matchbox 2018 Toyota Hilux was released in 2026.
Let's open the car.
The color of the car is orange, and it has black 6-spoke utility wheels. On the front, it has Toyota logo and detailed headlights. On the back, it has detailed taillights and Toyota Hilux Revo badges. Clear window tint. Black plastic base.